Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a look with this book with my 3 things that I got in my calendar. And let's see if I can get this up to 50 likes and 50 subscribers. Thank you. This is called Powerful. Oh. And this is a baking bronze. Let's start off with my MAC strobing cream. And I'm going to put that all over my face. Dab a little bit on my fingers. I haven't got a lot of it left. I'm just going to put some there. I've just done my highlighter. Now I'm going to go in with my foundation is the True MAC. And I'm using this brush. I'm just going to put some on it. Oh. And I'm just going to dab that all around and just going to work that into my skin on the other side. And just blend that in. And this brush, dab it on this nice brush colour and just dabbing it all over my eye. It's very like a pinky pearly colour. Well, you can probably put it on here a bit. I'll probably do that later. There it is. It's a very nudie colour, I think it is. I'm just going to see if I can get a bit more colourful. And then we're going to go with bronzy colour and put that on the end of the eye. Just dabbing it on. Dabbing it on each end. What's that? And I've got some of those. Can dab it around your eye, but I can't. It's a bit like veined in there. Right, and then I'm gonna go in with this one. I'm gonna get a little bit and just put it on my cheeks. That's that. Now I'm going to go in with the last product is this lipstick, and it is in the shade Powerful. It's a really ready colour. Very red. Isn't it? It's very red. Then and there we go. The finished look.